In this video, I want to go ahead and show you how you can remove the background of an image on Canva. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So guys, what you want to go ahead and do first is come over to canva.com and make an account if you haven't got one already. But if you've already got an account, what you need to do is click on Create a Design in the top right corner. And you can go ahead and you can click Get Started with an Image, or you can go ahead and search for like YouTube thumbnail if you're going to go ahead and do a YouTube thumbnail. But for this example, I'll just go ahead and click Start with an Image. And I've gone ahead and got a random photo of Cristiano Ronaldo for this example here. So what I'm going to do is double click that to open it. And then it will start uploading your image. So it should only take a couple of seconds and then you should be able to open the image. So as you can see, it's now uploaded and you can click on Edit Image or Using a Design. So for this example here, I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit Image. So right, my picture is now there so I can start editing it. So what you need to do is simply go ahead, click on the picture that you just uploaded and come over to Effects in the top left corner of the little screen here. And then once you've clicked on Effects, as you can see, the top option there is Background Remover, and remove the background of your image with one click. And if you click on that, it'll go ahead, take a couple of seconds, and it should remove the background. And it's pretty accurate, guys. I mean, you're going to have a really steady hand to get it much better than that, because that is really, really clean. And if you want to go ahead and save it as a PNG image with a transparent background, all you need to do is click on Download in the top right corner, click on Transparent Background, and then click on Download. So once you've downloaded it, it will be a transparent image, and it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.